How to achieve from the design to reality notebooks. First, there are some requests for your design. It need be PDF or AI vector file so that can be editable to printing. As said, bleeding, let's do that. You need to leave 3 mm above, below, left, and right of your design pages. Don't design within 3 mm because you will eventually be cut off. But why need bleeding? Please subscribe to our website. We will be updating the reason of bleeding on Factory View channel. We will receive your design. Our designer will first process it into printable file. Then, the plate making department will make the printing plate according to the design manuscript, and finally put the printing plate into the press to finish printing.